Hello everyone, welcome to another segment of my YouTube channel. Today we are going to go straight to the point about more information literacy, and I'm going to show you how to download, install, and then set up Mendeley for your Windows. So start off by getting towards the Google Chrome right here, get us profile, and search for Mendeley for the Mendeley Desktop download. Right, you can see I already have it in my folder things. So we tap on the Mendeley there's the Mendeley reference manager, but today we want Mendeley Desktop, right? So I'm going to tap it right here, as you can see, and I'm going to get the latest release, and the one that's recommended for my system, which is the one that's for Windows right here, as you can see. So when I tap this, it's going to now, because I had downloaded it before, they are telling me that it's a duplicate file. But so to save time, I had already downloaded and installed it, but I'm going to reinstall it so that you can see how to use it. Okay, right? So let's go and see just how to use it. We go to downloads, we go to our programs, where my Mendeley Desktop is right here. I'm going to tap on it, then I press next, then I agree, press next, and I install. Give it a bit of time to install, and just like that it's done. So we finish up. So the moment it installs, we then open it up, and then I'm going to put my email, gmail.com, just like that. Then my password as well. Okay. Just like that. Then I'm going to sign in. So I had already registered, but if you had a problem with if it's your first time using Mendeley, you would press register, and to register for you very fast, and you would be able to use it. So if you maybe you had a former one and you forgot the password, you could tap this word right here, which is forgot password, and then you would follow the following key prompts until you can retrieve your former account. And it will be quite simple. You put your email, and then it's a simple process. The moment you put your email, they will give you alternatives of what to do to get your password. Okay, and to see if it's actually you. All right, so let's continue, and then I sign in, just like that. And it will ask me to either get the citation plugin for Microsoft Word, or the reference, or later on also get my reference manager. So today I'm going to mainly base on on Mendeley Desktop. The reference manager is for another time. So we're going to install the citation plugin for Microsoft Word, because this will enable you to use the Mendeley Desktop hand in hand with Microsoft Word, and as I will teach you in the next video. Okay, so you install it just like that, and it will completely be installed just like that. So we then close that, and basically that is it. Thank you for listening to me, and I'll be back with another video explaining how to use it, how to perform citations with the Mendeley Desktop. Thank you very much.